Hey, have you ever tried Tunisian cuisine before? Yeah, I've had a few Tunisian dishes, but I'm not too familiar with the cuisine overall. What's the most popular dish in Tunisia? Well, Tunisia has a rich culinary tradition, but if I had to pick one dish that's considered the most popular and iconic, it would probably be couscous. Couscous? That's interesting. I thought couscous was more of a North African staple rather than specifically Tunisian. You're right. Couscous is indeed popular throughout North Africa, but Tunisia has its own unique twist on it. In Tunisia, they often prepare a special type of couscous known as couscous Tunisien or couscous à la Tunisienne. It's typically served with a flavorful stew called lablabi, made from chickpeas, spices, and sometimes meat like lamb or beef. Lablabi sounds delicious. Is that the only variation of couscous in Tunisia? No, there are actually several variations of couscous in Tunisia. Another popular one is couscous au poisson, which is made with fish in a tomato-based sauce. Then there's couscous au poulet, made with chicken, and couscous aux légumes, which is a vegetarian version with various vegetables and aromatic herbs. That's quite a variety. It seems like couscous plays a central role in Tunisian cuisine. Are there any other dishes that come close in popularity? Absolutely! Harissa is another quintessential Tunisian flavor that you'll find in many dishes. It's a spicy chili pepper paste used as a condiment in sandwiches, stews, and even as a dip. And you can't forget about brick, a popular Tunisian street food. It's a deep-fried paste refilled with egg, tuna, capers, and harissa. Brick sounds unique and delicious. So, it seems like Tunisian cuisine is a blend of flavors and influences. What would you say sets Tunisian food apart from the rest of North African cuisine? What sets Tunisian cuisine apart is its blend of Mediterranean, Arabic, Berber, and even French influences. The use of spices, like harissa and cumin, gives the food a distinct North African flavor. Plus, the variety of dishes and the way they incorporate local ingredients and traditions make it truly unique. That's fascinating. I'll definitely have to explore Tunisian cuisine more and try some of these dishes. Thanks for sharing all this information. You're welcome! I hope you enjoy discovering the delicious world of Tunisian food. It's definitely a culinary journey worth taking.